Hello guys, welcome to Gaurav's Art and Craft World. I'm Gaurav and today I'm going to show you how to make Fevicryl Mouldit Clay. Here we have the resin base, hardener and a baby powder, or you can take any talcum powder. Now we need to open the packets of hardener and resin base. Now before starting anything with these, apply some talcum powder on your hands. It will prevent the clay from sticking on your hands. Now take some amount of hardener and resin base. Make sure that the ratio should be 1:1. That is, the amount of both of these products must be equal. Now to prepare the clay, we have to mix them with each other properly. For that you can follow this process. Just roll it and fold it. Keep doing this again and again. Just roll it and fold it. You can add some talcum powder if you think that it's getting a little bit sticky. Now again keep mixing them with each other until they both mix with each other properly. So finally, as you can see, our clay is ready and now you can give it any shape as you want. Now I'm going to show you some examples how you can use the clay. At first, apply some talcum powder on the chakla belan. Now place the clay dough on the center of the chakla belan and flatten it in the following manner. It's very simple. It's the same way how we make roti. Now by using different types of fondant tools, you can give it any shape as you want. In this way you can make leaf shapes, butterflies, flowers, stars and so on. I'll give the list of the materials in the description box and also provide the link of the products so you can check out from there. You can also make some clay strips in this way by simply rolling the clay. You can also give it a rope shape. Just fold it from middle and twist it in this way. Now I'm going to show you some of my molded clay works. So friends, I hope you enjoyed the video and find the video informative. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.